Hi guys! We're at Enchanted Kingdom right now. Touchdown. So, yeah. Naghanap na kami ng parking kasi we're about
Sino ba
to
yun?
go the world. Saan?
Nakapark na? Sila.
I'm with Nabi. The girls, Anisha, Avril, and Maria. Okay. And we're with the boys. Nandito na kami sa EK. Finally, it's my first time!
Hi!
We're with the other group na. Ito yung kotse nila. And then,
Nadala ka ba yun?
yung alin.
Isa ko ba?
Retouch na kami, then we're gonna go on. Bye! Three Musketeers. Guys. Ganda.
Sino ba yan sila?
Guys, this is
12-6 tayo. Bill natin. 12-6?
We're gonna try out the most friendliest roller coaster, I guess. That one. Guys, nakatutok sa akin. Let's go. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I don't like rides at all. Mommy! Tapos ano? Ay, ito! Go, 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 go. Everyone's here now. Pamilya ni Coven din, no? Tulungan kita tayo. Dami kasi.
The video to. This is a vlog. Okay. So we're still waiting for. Ba't sila nakatayo lang ba? Wait natin. Tapos kami na to. Gusto ko i-try yun kaso may bayad. Love it.
Ay, yan yun!
Ito yung horror house.
For you guys.
Malamig kami.
Grabe, is guard na ako. Hindi ba? Hey guys, matapos lang. It was so good. Ganda. Ang ganda kanina. And we're looking at the souvenir shop right now. That's all.
yung bolt yung sa kanya. Sa taas. Naku? Tignan mo, nalalaglag na yung bolt yung sa kanya. Oo nga.
Hello. Alam, malapit ka may... Oh, ito. Ako din eh. Hindi nabawi sa akin yung ano. Ito ba? Ito ba? 3, 2, 1, go. Ba? Magkakam siya? Ah. Hi guys. Ay, ayoko niyan.
Ay!
Ayoko niyan.
Mas nakakahilo
Uy,
pa yung
bahala.
una natin.
Ayoko niyan, may umiikot.
I swear.
Talaga.
Mark on my word.
Ayoko. Oh my gosh, nakakatakot. Shot. Swan na lang, guys. Tutulungan.
Hindi ka kasama sa tampo, ha?
Nakakainis.
Okay, sige lang, magtapa na kayo dito.
Bahala kayo magtapat, di pa rin ako sasakay.
Nakapikit kasi siya!
Gago. Ginusto niyo yan, ah. Gago. Doon naman kasi tayo. Ice cream, di ba? Libre. Guys, pati na kami. Okay na sila, guys. Okay na sila. Okay na.
Ay, hindi pa. Sa'yo may isa pang hindi okay.
Ah, ay. May ganon. Grabe, puwis na ako.
Ayaw mo kumain yung baon mo?
Full meal na ako eh. May dessert na rin yung ice cream. Hi guys. Katapos na namin mag-retouch. Pabalik na kami sa loob. Let's go. Grabe. Already sweaty. Just got inside.
Magpapasawtan niya ang nalahan siya. Tumayo na si Javis. Hindi na po na po na tayo. Tumayo ka. Javis, nagtatanong lang ako. Diyan, tanong ko. Diyan, mag-serious na nasuka.
Sasagutan tayo na po. Target talaga ako nito eh.
Itatry namin yung... Ay, baka gusto niya sumama.
Si Javis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kasama ko Javis.
Hi! Itry namin tong plane na umiikot yung bumabaliktad.
Hindi yan screenshotan.
Sorry.
Piling ko mas
Nakakaya
pa yun.
Oo nga. Ayoko na.
Mas kaya mo to.
Gago. Ayoko na.
Asan na kayo?
Wala. Ganda, ganda. Wow. That Vikings right now.
Tower tayo ha.
Yes! Yan na. Let's go! Bukaran na.
Hi guys, it's me again. So, meeting my college friends has been one of the greatest blessings in my life, especially during my lowest points. When I felt overwhelmed, discouraged, or even uncertain about myself, they stood by my side with kindness, encouragement, and unwavering support. I love you guys. Okay, so their presence reminded me that I was never alone, and their laughter, advice, and especially understanding helped me find the strength to keep going. Our trip to EK became a much needed escape from all the struggles that I have been facing lately. So even for just a day, it gave me a chance to set my worries aside, laugh freely, and simply enjoy the moments with the people who genuinely care about me. So itong break na to, it reminded me that it's okay to pause, breathe, and appreciate the good moments despite life's challenges. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Mwah!
Birthday! Ganda!
Let's go,
Let's go! Rio Grande! Hi guys! So, kakabihis ko lang and the rest of the group is nasa CR pa. Kasi nabasa kami lahat sa Rio Grande, which is sinadya naming like we literally saved the best for the last because we know we're gonna get wet. And sakto, uwian na. It's already 8:30 p.m. and we're ready to go home. So that's that. Kaya yun. I'm literally alone right now. Pinapainit ko yung car ni Nabi. And I'm charging. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. That's all. Bye guys. See you next time.
Go.
Bye!